I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices and choosing the right cable. HDMI 2. 0 or higher gives higher bandwidth for 4K and smooth frame rates. Once done, pick a clear HDMI port on the Roku and remember its label so you can switch inputs quickly. Make sure the Xbox is off while you plug in to avoid handshake issues. This helps the devices negotiate resolution. If you have an AV receiver, route through it next. Otherwise, connect directly to the Roku TV HDMI port. Once the HDMI is seated, power on the Xbox and then the Roku TV, making sure Roku is set to the corresponding HDMI input. This forces an edit handshake. You should see the Xbox boot screen. If not, reseat the cable and try a different HDMI port. Next, go to Xbox settings and set display to desired resolution, enable HDR or VRR if supported, and set the display format to 16:9. These settings optimize image quality and prevent scaling artifacts on your Roku TV. You finish by confirming audio routing. Pick HDMI or external receiver so sound matches video. Then test a game to check performance and enable your Roku TV game mode to reduce input lag. This improves responsiveness. If the picture or sound fails, power cycle both devices, try a different HDMI cable or port, and ensure firmware is current on both units. One quick troubleshooting tip. If there's no signal, fully power down. Disconnect HDMI for 10 seconds, reconnect and power up to reset the handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.